Now, viewers' focus is back on the top story. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Thailand to attend the 6th BIMSTEC summit. Prime Minister has joined the leaders from Thailand, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Myanmar and Bhutan in Bangkok to deliberate upon the matters of regional and global concern. This is the first in-person meet of the BIMSTEC leaders since the last physical summit in Nepal in the year 2018, that was the pre-COVID era. The theme of the summit is Prosperous, Resilient and Open BIMSTEC. It aims to enhance the regional cooperation on trade, security, connectivity and endorse the Bangkok Vision 2030. The Maritime Transport Agreement is expected to be signed during this summit, which will be a big step forward in the regional cooperation. Meanwhile, India's focus will be on strengthening the security cooperation, including maritime, climate and cyber security, while measures to increase the connectivity for trade, energy, digitization over the past decade, in fact, will be made. Over the past decade, India has turned increasingly to BIMSTEC as a platform for the regional cooperation after pivoting away from the South Asian Association for the Regional Cooperation. This is because of the long-standing differences with Pakistan that stymied regional cooperation initiatives. My colleague Brian, who is at Ground Zero in Bangkok, has filed a detailed report. Let's take a look.
Well, the PM is on a 2-day visit to Thailand and then he will be attending the BIMSTEC here and then he will be flying off to Sri Lanka. Well, definitely yesterday was a packed up meeting for the Prime Minister. He was here, he was greeted by the Thailand Prime Minister Shinawatra and then they had a cultural meeting. There was a lot of MOUs signed, 6 MOUs were signed, even a beautifully made relic, a beautifully Thailand made stamp was also made that depicted the Ramayakan mural painting, which shows the rain, which shows the painting of the rain during Rama 1. And very importantly, PM Modi also pointed Ramayana, Sanskrit, Pali Connect during Thailand visit. Even very importantly, there was a lot of MOUs being signed in terms of IT, cultural, MSME. 6 MOUs were signed and now Buddha relics from Gujarat Saravali were also were being sent to Thailand, and many such important events happened. Cultural welcome was there. A dinner was also hosted where the Prime Minister was also seated with Nepal Prime Minister and even Bangladesh Chief Advisor Mohammad Yunus. Now there have been speculations whether the Prime Minister himself will be meeting Mohammad Yunus or not, even though from the MAA or from the PMO nothing has been confirmed so far. But Bangladesh Foreign Minister has shown a positive response of the fact that he is waiting for the Prime Minister to meet, but till now there is no confirmation from either MAA or from the PMO side. Very importantly, today is going to be a very important day as well. We have the entire itinerary with us. Today he will be going to Shangri-La, where the BIMSTEC meeting will be happening. He will be going at around 7:30, 7:50, and then there will be also a lot of conversation, and then the BIMSTEC will happen. The BIMSTEC is scheduled from 10 to 12. Two names or 2 slots have been given, that is 12:10 to 12:30, and then the second slot is 12:40 to 31. Then after that, the Prime Minister himself will be visiting Wat Pho, which is the temple of reclining Buddha, which is a very famous temple here. It is one of the largest Buddha temple here, and then he will be visiting the King Palace as well to meet the King of Thailand, and then from there he will be going to Dong Mueang Airport, and then from there Sri Lanka. So definitely a very important event, 2 days packed up event. 2 days packed up day for the Prime Minister himself. Yesterday was a very fruitful day. Many MOUs, it bonded the two cultures together. Many MOUs being signed, but the biggest question remains whether the Prime Minister will be meeting Chief Advisor today or not, because till now from the ME or from the PMO side there has been no confirmation of that till now. Yes.